Hello, good afternoon again. This is Danilo V. Monte Jr. and we are here in the e-commerce website of MyMSME. It is the Vicintas Cafe and Bistro. I would like to show you how to order online using the e-commerce website of MyMSME. Let's go to the menu. And as you can see, you will order, like example, a cake. I'm going to order this one. This looks delicious. It's chocolate mud cake. Mud cake. Now, example, if you are not done yet, you want to continue, add another menu or some coffee or drinks, you just click the continue shopping. Okay, and example, if it's not, then you proceed to the checkout. And let's click out, and then the name, fill up the name, the family name, and other details. Try to fill up with red asterisk detail. It meaning is a must. It's a must. Okay, once done, you select whether you will pick up, you pick up the order and pay cash there, or delivery. Since I'm not in the city proper, if you are in the city proper, then it's okay. You can have your order in the delivery. But since you're not in the city proper, we are not on the city proper, and I have to use cash pickup. Then check the terms and condition, and then place order. Then finish. That's all. It's very easy to order online, and you can start your order now. Thank you.